everyone, today we'll be having a tutorial of how to fix your AliExpress locked account. So, how do you fix where your AliExpress account is locked? You want to start by opening the AliExpress app or website. After that is you want to try and log in to see the exact reason for the lock. Most accounts are restricted due to unusual activities, um, also failed payments or policy violations. And yeah, that's it. And next, go to AliExpress Help Center. You can see it at the bottom of their page. You can see it right here, Help Center. After that, select account issues and submit an appeal by verifying your identity. This may include confirming your email, phone number, or uploading valid ID if requested. So you can see it right here. Find account. After that, check your email regularly for AliExpress updates and response promptly. Once verified, your account is usually unlocked within a few days. And that is all on how to unlock your AliExpress account.